Apprendre. 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 Que veut dire apprendre? What does it mean when the French use the verb apprendre? What do they mean? Does it mean to learn in English or to teach? Does apprendre, the French irregular verb apprendre, does it mean both to learn and to teach? Follow me in this particular lesson. If you have not yet subscribed to Dacoba French Academy, this is the time for you to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification button, and the exercise attached to this particular lesson, you can leave your answers in the comment section. Share this video with others if you find it useful and educative. Merci beaucoup. Il faut me suivre dans cette leçon. Now, when we say apprendre, what does it mean? Does it mean to learn or to teach, or it means both in English? Let's go. Apprendre quelque chose. Apprendre quelque chose. So you can see that I keep the verb apprendre in the green color, and the situation in which you will use the apprendre and it will mean to learn, I keep that situation in the purple color as I usually do, and the English meaning therefore is there in English, to learn something. So we have apprendre quelque chose, that is to learn something. So when I say j'apprends le français, j'apprends le français, so the apprendre is from the verb apprendre, and now le français is the quelque chose, is the something. So in this case, I am learning something. What am I learning? I am learning French. Do you get that? So in this case, because it is j'apprends le français, and le français is something, French is something that I am apprendre, in quote. French is something that I am apprendre. So in this case, the apprendre means learn. Is that okay? So apprendre quelque chose, to learn something. Et j'apprends le français. Répète. J'apprends le français. In this case, the apprendre means learn. Therefore, I am learning French. What are you learning, Dacoba? I am learning French. So I am learning something. B. Elle apprend les mathématiques. Elle apprend les mathématiques. She is learning mathematics. She is learning mathematics. What is she learning? Mathematics. Is she learning something? Is she learning something? Yes, she is learning something. What is she learning? Mathematics. So to learn something, in that case, apprendre means to learn. Nous apprenons le vocabulaire. Nous apprenons le vocabulaire. That is, we are learning vocabulary. So again, we are learning something. As we said, apprendre quelque chose, that is to learn something. Nous apprenons le vocabulaire. We are learning vocabulary. What are we learning? Vocabulary. Are we learning something? Yes. So in this case, the verb apprendre means to learn. We are moving towards the situation in which the same verb apprendre will mean to teach. We are heading towards that. All right. Now, let's take this. Here is another meaning of the verb, or another way to use the verb apprendre. In this case, it is apprendre à plus an infinitive verbe. Apprendre à plus a verb in infinitive form and in a complete infinitive form. So apprendre à plus an infinitive verb will mean to learn to do something. In this case, you are not just saying I am learning French. Instead of j'apprends le français, you may say j'apprends à parler le français. So I am learning to speak French, not I am learning French. So the first one we saw to learn, we saw to learn something. But in this particular one, we are talking about to learn to do something. So, vous apprenez à faire la cuisine. Vous apprenez à faire la cuisine. Are you learning to cook? In the slide 2, it will have been vous apprenez la cuisine. Are you learning kitchen? But in this case, we are saying vous apprenez à faire la cuisine. So the meaning has changed again. So are you learning to cook? To learn to do something. B. Il apprend à conduire la voiture. Il apprend à conduire la voiture. He is learning to drive the car. What is he doing? He's learning to drive the car. So here, he is not learning cars, but he is learning how to do something about the car or how to do something with the car. So to learn to do something. So you see the difference between apprendre quelque chose, learn something, to learn something, and apprendre à faire quelque chose, which is to learn to do something. I hope you see the difference between these two. Now, let's get to the confusing part of this particular topic, and that is apprendre à quelqu'un. Répète. Apprendre à quelqu'un. That is to teach someone. So we have apprendre à quelqu'un if the person you are teaching is a male. J'apprends à Robert. I am teaching Robert. Have you seen that? J'apprends à Kwame. So apprendre à quelqu'un, to teach someone, or apprendre à quelqu'une. Apprendre à quelqu'une. So either apprendre à quelqu'un or apprendre à quelqu'une. These two means to teach someone in English. And this is what lot of people ignore. This is what lot of people don't know. So many people don't know that the verb apprendre, the irregular verb apprendre, means to teach and to learn. The situation, the context. That is why I used to say, un mot ne vit que dans un contexte. A word lives only in a context. So when you pick the word in isolation, you may not get the actual meaning. So situate it in a context and you know what the word means. Let's continue. Apprendre à quelqu'un or apprendre à quelqu'une. That is to teach someone. Example. A. J'apprends le français à mes amis. J'apprends le français à mes amis. That in English is I am teaching French to my friends. Ah, désolé. Désolé, there should be S at the end of the friends. Alright? J'apprends le français à mes amis. I am teaching French to my friends. In this case, I am not the one learning French. I'm not the one acquiring the knowledge about the French. Rather, I am passing the knowledge, the skill of knowing French onto my friends. So in this case, I am the giver of the knowledge. And my friends in this case, they are the receivers in this situation. J'apprends le français à mes amis. I am teaching French to my friends. B. Ils apprennent à leurs filles à nager. Ils apprennent à leurs filles à nager. They are teaching their daughter to swim. Are they learning how to swim? No. Do they know how to swim? Yes. What are they doing? They are passing the knowledge you need to swim. They are passing that knowledge onto their daughter. So in this case, they are teaching someone how to swim. I hope this is clear. Yeah? All right. Ils apprennent à leurs filles à nager. They are teaching their daughter to swim. C. Nous apprenons à Basha à respecter les règles. Nous apprenons à Basha à respecter les règles. We are teaching. The same verb apprendre is used there in the green color as apprenons. But in this case, we are passing the knowledge about obeying the rules onto Basha. So in this case, we are not the receivers of the knowledge. We are rather the givers of the knowledge. All right? Nous apprenons à Basha à respecter les règles. We are teaching Basha to follow the rules. I hope now everything is clear. So when we say, all right, when we say apprendre quelque chose, to learn something, that one I will say j'apprends mes leçons. I am learning or I am studying my lessons. J'apprends l'allemand. I am learning German language or I am studying German language. That is to learn something. And we came to learn to do something. So that will be j'apprends à conduire la voiture. I am learning to drive a car or the car. So that is to learn to do something. So you use apprendre à plus an infinitive verb, then a noun. And we came to the main confusing part of it all, which is apprendre à quelqu'un or apprendre à quelqu'une. And that means to teach someone. In this case, you are not the receiver of the knowledge. In this particular case, you are the giver of the knowledge. So let's come to this. We are saying that if you are the receiver of the knowledge, use apprendre quelque chose or apprendre à plus a verb in infinitive form. So j'apprends la géométrie. j'apprends les calculs. And j'apprends à calculer. In this case, I am the receiver of the knowledge to calculate. J'apprends les calculs. I am studying the calculations. J'apprends à calculer. I am learning how to calculate. In this case, I am the one receiving the knowledge of calculation. But if you are the giver of the knowledge, use apprendre à quelqu'un or à quelqu'une. That will be j'apprends à calculer à mes apprenants. I am teaching my learners how to calculate. In this case, I am passing the knowledge of calculation onto my learners. I hope now everything is clear. Not so? So as usual, there is a little evaluation here. They say use apprend or apprendre, or apprend à to complete these sentences below. So number 1, mes petits frères à faire du vélo. Ici, j'apprends or j'apprends à. You have tu either apprends or apprends à leurs enfants à être polis. We have j'apprends or j'apprends à une nouvelle langue à l'école. One of the two is correct. And we also have tu apprends or tu apprends à ton ami à préparer un gâteau. One of these is always correct. So do it and let me see your answers at the comment section. Thank you very much for following Dakoba French Academy. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification button. Let me see your comment and like this video if you like it. Share it with others as part of your recommendation of this platform to others. Join the Vibra team for us all to move. Dakoba French Academy. Brain at work always. Learning French becomes fun. Let me see you again in our next lesson. This is lesson 4. Thank you very much. Au revoir.